Okay, so I'm just gonna vlog my night tonight because I deleted all the footage that I had because I didn't like it. I got insecure, so. No way. I wish I could see what I just did, which I can't because I'm not taking this down. But if this falls, I'm gonna be very mad. It is October 8th, I think. I'm not this short. I'm leaning down, by the way. But it's October 8th, I think. And actually, no, I think it's the 11th. I'll put the date on the screen. I'm just gonna vlog my night tonight. I deleted all my footage because I got really insecure and whatever. We don't even have to get into that, okay? We don't. I have a test tomorrow in first period.
Exactly. This whole thing is a pointless and stupid celebration of the fact a shoelace tip is called,
Yep.
what's it?
That's it. Ew. Like, this is really cold in my room. Okay. Kind of embarrassing, but I still have yeah. So I'm just gonna talk and rant a little bit, and we're gonna do my skincare. But first, I'm going to change into a jacket because I'm freezing. I'm back. So I took my shower earlier today, so I'm already clean and fresh and fun. But I did wash my face earlier because I did a face mask and I didn't finish my skincare. So we're gonna do that now. And I turned my TV down because I'm watching Phineas and Ferb because I'm bored. And that's just really been the only thing that's entertaining me lately. So I'm gonna talk about my weekend. I'm gonna talk about school. I'm just gonna put on my Blistex. Wait. It is Blistex. Honestly, I'm running out because all my other ones are like trash. I'm putting on this perfume. I love this perfume. I haven't really used it that much. I got it in September when I was at the mall. And I haven't used it too much because I do have a variety of perfumes, but I do like the smell. I literally only spray it once because it is kind of strong and it kind of gives me a headache. I'm gonna talk about what I did this weekend. So this weekend I literally didn't do that much at all. I know that's like crazy, but I tried to film a video. I don't know what is going on with my hair, but this just is not it. Tries to fix it, but literally can't. So yeah. Oh my god, that literally looks awful. Oh, honey, you look awful. I just want to talk about how I'm going to be editing this video like literally tonight. I'm filming this video and I'm going to be editing it like within the same night, which is a little annoying. But it's my fault. So because I'm the one who got insecure about what I looked like in the video that I literally just filmed yesterday and Friday, so that's my fault that I'm being put in the position that I am in. So, first I'm gonna do is I got this, it was like a party favor or whatever. It's a hand cream, and if you know me, I have my dad's hands. I have really rough hands. My brother is 3 and his hands are already rough. Like, jeez. I'm gonna take this lotion. I love this lotion. Got it from a previous friend of mine. It smells so good. It's from Victoria's Secret and it is Velvet Petals frosted. So y'all should cop. I think I have the perfume too. It's Velvet Petals. Literally, it was the cutest thing. So they literally smell so good. So I suggest you go cop this as a. We did Secret Santa last Christmas, which we're doing this year, just not with as many people. So I got this as a Secret Santa gift, and it was super cute. I still use it to this day, which is a shocker because usually I use like up everything like so quickly, especially when it comes to perfume and lotion, but lately I haven't been using that much, so very proud of myself for that. Anyway, I already put Blistex on my lips, but I was going to do this lip scrub, but I'm not going to do that anymore. I don't feel like it, so that's not the mood anymore. I'm so indecisive. Also, I want to talk about something. So me and Harmony will be posting on this channel twice a week, but there will be no upload coming on Monday, so this video will be out on Thursday because of my fault. Honestly, I don't even know if Harmony filmed another video yet, so I don't even know if y'all could get a video on Monday if y'all want it, because I haven't spoken to her like all weekend. I've just really been doing my own thing and just working on a lot of stuff and just getting my life together. So the first thing that I'm putting on my skin after I wash my face, which I've been meaning to update my skincare because lately I've been ass on my skincare. Like I suck. Like I just have not been doing my skincare like how I want. So I really want to update my skincare because my skin is so booty not wasting time. I don't have time for this. I'm literally trying to edit this video tonight, so sorry if this video seems rushed. I'm trying to edit it tonight, so maybe I can get it up by Monday, but if not, it'll be up by Thursday. So first thing I'm putting is this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Rescue, the refreshing gel cream for dry skin. I have dry skin, so this is literally perfect for me. When I put it on, it feels so like refreshing, and I have dry skin like altogether. I don't have oily skin. My skin is not oily. If anything, I need the oil. So I want to talk about school really quick. I am doing great in school, academics wise. Mentally in school, I have been just losing my freaking mind. Taking my L'Oreal Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition night balm, which yes, it's a night balm, but I use it in the morning. I'm just so stressed out with school and like class. Like this is, I don't know, usually I don't geek over like my grades that much. Like to me it usually is what it is. I always do well the first semester, but I don't really, let me just say, I've never tried as hard as I have been now. So I literally have a test tomorrow and I'm sitting here filming a video. I'm not studying because I feel like I can do pretty well. I kind of remember pretty much what we talked about in class. So chemistry and math, I have A's in right now, so I'm actually really proud of myself because people keep telling me that chem is hard. Even though I was gonna film this video tonight until I got up and started to film it, so that is really adorable. Now for moisturizer, I use the Nivea Soft Face Body Hands Refreshing Soft Moisturizing Cream. I've always been using this on my face, except back then I used to use something else on my face, like back in elementary school, and it was something my mom put on my face, and she gave it to me to help with this dark spot that I have on my face, which over time it's really lightened up because of that. But I haven't been using it because I don't live with my mom anymore. I live with my dad now. That is another story time to get into later, because we're not getting into that today. I don't know what time it is. Next, I'm going to be taking this Olay Micro Sculpting Cream with sunscreen. It has SPF 50 in it, so that is good. I take this and I put it under my eyes as an eye cream, and then right around my smile lines. Dip it into my Vaseline, and I'm going to take it and put it on my eyebrows, and then whatever is left, I'm going to put it on my lashes. Like the crazy and wild stuff we did in my apartment complex in elementary school, like my childhood stories are a little crazy. It's kind of like, where are your parents? Finished doing my night skincare. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs, get something to drink, and I'll come back upstairs and end this video. Probably in the bathroom now because the lighting in here right now sucks. Okay, so now we're going downstairs so I can get something to drink. They literally make cookies. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like, comment down below, subscribe, and share with your friends. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you press the bell so you can get notified anytime that me and Harmony post a video. Also, coming in here because I suck at filming, follow me and Harmony's social medias. They will be linked down below in the description, and follow our